How to see all birthday wishes on Facebook. Hello and welcome to our channel. In this tutorial, I am going to show you how you can easily see all birthday wishes on your Facebook. So please watch till the end to properly understand the tutorial. And if you find this video useful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to be notified when we upload new videos. So without any further ado, let's get started. Open your Facebook app, tap on the menu, scroll down and tap on Settings and Privacy. Then tap on Settings, scroll down. In your information section, tap on Access Your Information. Search here for Other and tap on Other people's posts to your timeline. No one has posted on my timeline, that's why it is empty. But here you will see all of the posts and birthday wishes posted on your timeline. So this is how you can see all the birthday wishes on your Facebook.